Hey guys, welcome back. Happy New Year. I am filming this on January 1st, 2023 at 1:37. Oh, I'm sorry. Time has changed. 1:38 a.m. Got that right. The ball dropped an hour and a half ago. So happy New Year. So for today's video, I wanted to go through my 2022 wish list and kind of just, let you guys know what I ended up buying from the wish list, or just letting you know what I've dropped from the wish list. Just giving you an update. Pretty much this is like an update on my 2022 wish list. If you guys see my hands at any point during this video and you're just like, what the hell is wrong with her? Leo gave me hand foot mouth disease, okay? And if you follow me on Instagram, you know this already, but I am filming anyways. I mean, it's really not like it's not cute. It's not cute, but like, it's not the worst thing that's ever happened to anybody. So if you just like, don't look that hard at my hands, like, we'll be okay. I am gonna film a 2023 luxury wish list, even though I did just recently let you guys know I'm going on a low buy, which I'll link that video right up here in case you guys missed it. But even though I'm going on a low buy, I feel like it's still kind of noteworthy to let you guys know what I'm eyeing at the moment, what I feel like I'm gonna add to my collection this year, or within the next couple years. Doesn't have to be just this year, so definitely keep an eye out for that. But for now, if you guys want to hear my 2022 update on my luxury wish list, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays normally at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna want to be here when I do. I did recently miss my Wednesday upload, and that's just because I have hand foot mouth disease. The beginning was not fun, that's all I'm gonna say. The beginning, when I had like the fever and like extreme fatigue, I literally slept for 24 hours straight. So I did miss my Wednesday upload, okay? But, so long as I stay healthy for the foreseeable future, I will not. So Wednesdays and Sundays. So definitely subscribe if you guys are not already. And of course, follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. Outfit of the days, reels, stories, just a whole bunch of stuff over there. So if you guys are interested, definitely follow me over there as well if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So I actually rewatched my 2022 luxury wish list, even though I kind of had a gist. Like, I already basically knew what was on there, but I just wanted to like exactly get them in order and know exactly what I spoke about. So the first thing that I spoke about in my 2022 luxury wish list is a Chanel bag from the 22P collection in that baby pink color. Right back here, you see my business affinity in the baby pink from the 22P collection. So I did end up getting that. I can check that off the wish list. I am very excited. I love that bag. I've only taken it out a few times. Obviously, I got it pretty recently, but I love that bag and definitely no complaints here. So that one checked off. The second thing that I mentioned is that I want a small cocoa handle. That one is still currently on my wish list, and that means you'll hear about it in my wish list video, which probably will be coming next. I think I know what color I want that bag in, but I have to find the perfect one. It's very difficult with Chanel to find like the bag you want in the color you want in the season it's a hot mess. So I'm kind of just hunting the pre-love market and looking for something that is gonna really tickle my pickle, The next thing that I mentioned that I want is a boy bag in size small. And as you can see, I did take that off with my Tiffany blue boy bag here. This is just the most perfect boy bag that I could have ever wanted. It's in the perfect color. I love this bag and this color of Tiffany blue. I know Chanel has done Tiffany blue a couple of times. I have no idea what season this is from, so if you guys know, definitely let me know in the comments. Sometimes Tiffany blue is a little bit more muted and a little bit washed out. I don't feel like this is washed out at all. It's just like a very rich Tiffany blue, and I love it. So I did tick that off the wish list, and I am very excited about it. I love her. The next thing I said that I wanted was a Lady Dior in the ABC small size, and I did get that right here in the white. I did obviously also get a micro Lady Dior, but that was not on my, oh, Jesus Christ, these handles drive me insane. The white is the perfect color for the Lady Dior. I love it. It's my favorite color in the Lady Dior, and you guys know I had a gray one before this, and that was just not it for me. This white one is perfection. I love it. I use it all the time, so I'm definitely happy about that one. The next bags that I mentioned on my wish list were a Birkin, a Kelly, and a Constance, and I think you guys know I didn't check those off. I don't think that I'm gonna check those off in 2023, but I mean, I guess we will see. I am, like I said, planning on going on a low buy, so I don't I don't foresee that happening in 2023, maybe 2024, but they definitely do remain on the wish list. So moving away from handbags into fine jewelry, the first fine jewelry piece that I mentioned that I wanted was a mother of pearl bracelet from Van Cleef, the 5 motif in yellow gold. I did not check this off my wish list, although I do think that in 2023, this is going to happen because I currently just have the black onyx and then my sweet bracelet, and I don't know. I feel like I just really need the white to contrast with the black. That's like, I just need it in my life. So I'm definitely going to aim to check this off in 2023. Hopefully this happens, but I mean, we'll see. You guys know I like to shop online, and this thing is never available online. At least not now, because I guess we're getting the like holiday season, but it hasn't been in stock for a minute. So maybe if it comes back in stock, maybe I'll pull the trigger. I also said that I wanted either the tiger's eye or the hammered gold bracelet. I am actually taking both of those off of my wish list. I think after the mother of pearl, I'm pretty much good on Van Cleef bracelets. This is basically the hammered gold, just in the sweet size. And I'm taking the tiger's eye completely off. I also said that I want a Cartier Juste un Clou bracelet in the thin version. I do definitely still want that. I said this in my wish list video, but I don't know if I want it with or without diamonds. I'm leaning towards without diamonds just because that will be the 4th bracelet probably in my stack, and that just feels like having that with diamonds might be a little bit too much. I think this is something I'd probably have to buy in store. Like I would want them, I would want to try them on, I would want to see how they look, but this is definitely not as much of a priority to me as the mother of pearl bracelet from VCA, so we'll see. We'll see. I probably won't even get this year, but like, we'll see. I also mentioned that I want a Michelle watch. This is still true. I just realized I'm actually not wearing a watch today, but I do still want another watch. I don't actually know though if I want it to be a Michelle watch, because I'm looking at some other watches. There are a couple of Cartier watches that I really, really like. And so I'm really not 100% sure if I want it to be Michelle or not, but I do definitely still want another watch. So like I said, keep your eyes out for my 2023 wish list. That will definitely go into more detail. So for shoes, I mentioned 3 pairs of shoes. I said I wanted a pair of Rene Caovilla shoes. If you guys missed my unboxing where I actually unboxed my Rene Caovilla shoes, I'll link it right up here. But I did actually check this off the wish list. They're not the exact same pair that I mentioned in the wish list, but they are the pair that I'm kind of replacing the pair that I mentioned with. I'm very excited about them. I've worn them already a couple of times and I love them. The next pair of shoes was a pair of Hermes Oran sandals, so I'll link that unboxing up here as well. And if there's not enough space up here, I'm definitely gonna link some things in the description box, so keep your eyes peeled for that as well. But I did get my white Oran sandals. I got them in the summer. I wore them a bunch. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you're probably so tired of seeing these Oran. Once summer rolls around again, I'm definitely gonna buy some more pairs. I don't know which colors I would want next. I mean, obviously gold, like everyone gets gold, so like it'd have to be gold, right? But I don't know. We gotta see how I feel, but I definitely want some more Oran. The last pair of shoes that I mentioned was a pair of sneakers. These are the Dior B27 sneakers. I am completely crossing these off of my wish list. I don't really care about these sneakers because I don't really care about sneakers in general anymore. I feel like my style has changed so much and I don't really wear sneakers that often. I really lean more towards heels or boots or just not sneakers, something that's like a little bit less casual, because I don't feel like I dress very casual. I mean, I'm like blinged out over here. I feel like my style has definitely evolved into something a little bit more dressy and like put together. So sneakers for me don't really get the most use. I have obviously some sneakers in my collection and I feel like I haven't worn them in months and months. So for me, sneakers are not something that I'm really looking to buy. So that's why I've crossed these off the list. The last thing that I mentioned in my wish list was an Hermes Kelly belt, which is still on the wish list. I have not pulled the trigger on any of them yet because I just like don't know which color. I'm really, really struggling. I think I want it to be white, but then The thought of getting a white belt stresses me out, and I'm like, okay, but what if I'm wearing something that's not white, that doesn't go with white? Is that still gonna look good? So I really don't know. I wanna use this in the summer with my summer dresses, so I kind of have some time, but I think this summer is definitely the summer in which I'm gonna have to buy them. It's gonna be either a taupe, it's gonna be gold, or it's gonna be white. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. Obviously, if I get any of the things from my wish list, you guys will be the first to know because you'll see the unboxing. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. Make sure you guys turn on the notifications bell as well, because like I said, I am going to be putting out my 2023 wish list as well. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I'm in fact not naked, not today at least. So if the dress goes out of frame at any point, please just know I didn't take it off. It's still here.